This is a banquet pot pie. Thank you for watching. Every touchdown I score is another minute I get to microwave this. I think you're supposed to microwave them for like 10 minutes, so well, let's get 70 points. Alright, let's win this thing. The grand prize is a copy of the thing on Blu-ray. Alright, it is time to play the Patriots. Sorry I'm late. I got a new job delivering pizzas. Push! Push! Congratulations, sir. It's a pizza. I'm just kidding. Here's your food. Why do I never get tips? Let's get a touchdown right off the bat. Right off the bat. Right off of the Louisville Slugger bat. That's 1 minute. I'm not chipping a tooth, baby. Time is money, and it's not funny. This baby's gonna be burned. This is gonna be a burned pot pie. This is gonna be burned like my uncle in the steel mill accident. Safety, 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 safety. You know what's better than a safety? 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 Funding cancer research. You know what's better than funding cancer research? You know what's better than funding cancer research? Not getting salmonella from a pot pie. That's a way to close out the half. I had to go back because that guy ordered diced tomatoes and not cut tomatoes. So I had to go back to give him his diced tomatoes. Alright, let's do a nice little run here. Psych! Get that sharp. Get that sharp. Get that sharp. Alright, let's do a little run here. Psych! Get that haddocks. Get that haddocks. Get that haddocks. Dun, 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 dun. I forgot the rest of the lyrics. You know who gets pats? You know who gets pats? You know who gets pats? People you're sympathetic for. And I am not sympathetic for these pats. Because I am going to have a well-baked pot pie. Let's get a safety. Let's be a sticky bank bowl and get a safety. Oh, okay. Alright. That wasn't very sticky bank bowl of a... You know, I might have my pot pie outside. It's a nice day. It's only a little bit wet. And I think that I might get out the blanket, get a nice little soft spot to sit, and have this absolutely perfectly cooked pot pie. Because the Patriots suck. Somebody call Kirby and ask him how he's doing. We haven't seen him in 2 days. I might call the police. Chicken pot pie, 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 chicken. And that's the game. 58 points, 1 safety, 8 touchdowns. We get to microwave this bad boy for 8 minutes. I got fired from the pizza place. Pretty sweet severance package, though. They gave me their centerpiece. It's still kind of freezer burnt.